Hey, today we are Frozen Feast. It's been a long time. Winter's getting over, so we servicing all the cars. And I'm here with Diallo. You already know, he's the one doing all the work. So let's see what's up. Let's see it's gonna start.
All right.
We ain't starting in a long time.
In a long time. Woo! Bro, why you driving like this, bro? Step it, bro. Bro, drive right.
I've been driving since I was like 12. So I'm not a mechanic. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I heard this guy found like the drain plug and yeah, so I'm just about to do that. Are you recording me getting up, brass? Wow. Smart. The bottom part is done. Now we're gonna pour the oil in and let's see how it goes. This thing gotta be here or something.
Let's see the final product. This shit better start. Yes, sir. What are you?
Now we're about to do the generator.
Go ahead. Oh, yes. So you did it. Ooh, that one's too black. That one's black. My brother. This is black. Look, it's not black. Yo, this is blue, yo.
This is blue, bro.
Yo. Done. Good job, boy. What? What is, bruh?